Okay, so under this drop down, you want to go to CRM. Once you're there, you need to add an organization. So you go to organizations, add, put in your team name here. Put your address here. And then I'd always hit validate address and it'll fill in all the other information for you. And scroll down, put your phone number in for your team. Then when you're done, you come down here and hit save. So now your team is set up as an organization. That normally wouldn't come up. Then once the team comes up, then you just go to add. You have to create an invoice. Add product. Let's see. If it's under merchandise, I think. And I would just go to search, and it's probably on the last page because it's a U. Oh, okay, it's right here, UAS for STEM. So you click that, and then you have to go up here and add the price, which if it's still the same, it would be $19.95. Or if you've changed the price, just put the new price in there. And then if they want to do 2 teams, you could change the quantity to 2. So invoice is added. You go down here, it'll show your price, $19.95. You'll hit save and finish, which I'm not going to do that because that'll create an invoice. So once the invoice has been created, then you go back to the team here, and you can go to add payment. Actually, if you just add the invoice, let's see. You just add the invoice. Let me see if I can just make it 0. Okay, yeah, so if you can just add the invoice, then that's all you need to do. Then you go to batches, and you probably already know how to create a batch, but if you don't, like, add a batch, name the batch, and then you would be NetForum user as the security group. Transaction type would be prepaid. Payment method, it looks like you guys have updated this, so I guess you would just put the type of credit card they're using, or if they're using a check. So once you select that, prepaid, and the payment method, hit save. Group key is required. Oh, security group. I don't know why I didn't save that. Net forum user. Okay, save. Okay, now it shows balance is 0 because I didn't put a total there. So you go down here. So if there was a total, something should pop up right here for you to select. And then over here on the right hand side, it would show up some boxes where you could enter like the credit card number and or the check information. And then once you hit add, it should process it. And then at the end of the day, you're supposed to go down to, I think list batches. Yeah, see how it's got everybody's batches from today. And you would select yours and make sure that everything looks right. And then you're supposed to, at the end of the day, like if the batch total matches, like if the invoices matches the payments, then you know it's even and it's good. You hit pre-process and go through that. But if you don't know how to do that, Vicky should be able to show you, because I don't want to close Branda's batch for the day. And that's it.